Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of the T50AC electric stapler and brad nailer. Unlike traditional electric tools, Arrow's breakthrough T50AC electric stapler delivers consistent pro-grade performance regardless of job site voltage fluctuations, even on a 100-foot extension cord. A motor drive provides more consistent drive power as compared to traditional solenoid designs, which may have inconsistent drive force. The result is maximum pro power with every shot. The T50AC also features a convenient bottom load magazine with a quick release feature, a soft overmolded grip, and contact safety. The T50AC works with all sizes of T50 staples, as well as 9/16 inch and 5/8 inch brad nails. Additional features include an integrated LED work light, an indicator light to show when staples are low, and a storage case. This tool is perfect for professional jobs such as installing insulation, as well as general repair projects like screen repair and upholstery. Thank you for visiting the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.